So this is a picture of Henry's bookcase, and we have some information about it. We know that this side is 4 feet, and that means that this side is also 4 feet. And what we're looking for that we don't yet know is how long are the shelves. So here's a shelf, here's a shelf, here's a shelf, and here's a shelf. So there are 4 of them. I'm actually going to represent all of this information in a tape diagram and then see if that can help me write an algebraic equation. So I just saw that I have 4 shelves, and I think we're using S for each of them. So S, S, S. Now that's not the total amount of lumber though. I also have one 4-foot side and the other 4-foot side. Now I don't know what each of those S's is worth, but I do know that the total amount of lumber that was bought was 16 feet. So I can start to represent all of this in an equation. This is for S, because S plus S plus S plus S. And I'm adding to that the 2 4-foot pieces of wood, which gives me a total of 8 pieces of wood that I know for sure. Together, that equals 16 total. I can solve this using inverse operations. So here's my variable. It's being multiplied by 4, and then 8 is being added. So I need to undo each of those with an inverse operation. I will begin by subtracting 8 from each side. When I do that, it will give me an equivalent expression. On this side, this will cancel out to 0, and I will have 4S. On the right-hand side, instead of 16, I will have subtracted 8, and that gives me 8. I'm almost done, but I really like to have S have a coefficient of 1. So to do that, I'll divide both sides by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. That's what I was going for, so I figured out 1S. And 8 divided by 4 is 2. So that tells me that each of the shelves is 2 feet long. So we can look at that in our tape diagram. So this is 2 feet long, 2 feet long, 2 feet long, and 2 feet long. When I add those up, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4, it gives me 16 total, which is what I thought I was supposed to have. So I feel confident about my answer.